Hi, and welcome to my tutorial for how to play Le Freak by Chic on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is A minor. We'll only need a few chords for this, but the trick is in the way we strum it. We're going to need an A minor 7 chord played this way. For that A minor 7, we're holding down everything at fret 5 from the D string down. We'll also need to play a straight A minor, holding everything from the G string down at fret 5. We'll need a D chord here, and that's at fret 7, holding down the D, G, and B string only. We're not going to be playing that high E string. We'll also need a C chord formed this way. For that one, we're going to hold down the B and high E string at fret 8, the G string at fret 9, and the D string at fret 10. We'll also play a B minor like this. And for that one, we'll hold down the G, B, and high E string at fret 7. Now, let me attempt to show you how I play this Nile Rodgers style chord riff. Now, the essence of this riff is in the wrist. I'm going to take my fingers, place them on the fretboard gently, and just go like that. So I've got a muted strum. I'm going to gently turn my wrist like this. Now I've got my pinky resting on my high E string, and I'm just kind of brushing the strings with my pick like that. This is a very thin pick, by the way. I'm using a .53, so it's very forgiving when I strum. It just skates across the strings because it bends rather than stiffens up as a heavy pick would do. When I want the chord to sound, I'm just going to press the chord down with my left hand like that. So I've got my fingers resting on the strings, and when I want a chord sound, I'm going to squeeze them. So like that. Now here's the riff that we're going to be trying to learn, okay? Notice how the pressure came in and brought the chord into the picture. When we didn't have a squeezed chord, we had this chuck going on. We'll start our chord riff by striking the D string, fret 5, and then we'll move to fret 7. So that's, and then we'll move down to an A minor chord down here, the high strings, and go down up like that. After that, we'll hammer from fret 5 on the D string to fret 7. Then we'll move to our A minor 7 chord and go down up like that. We'll go back to the 7th fret, D string, 5th fret, 7th fret. Then we'll go to our D chord and we'll play this. That's down, up, down. And all the while we're doing our 16th note strumming. So that's, and we're going to do the same thing here at our A minor 7. Now occasionally while we're strumming through this, we're going to go to our B minor chord, which is here, and then go to C, and then back to our A note. So it's going to be played like this. So we'll start it this way. Now later on in the song, there's a part where we play this. Now for that part, we're playing our A minor 7 and we're moving to our D chord. And our strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now the real challenge is keeping this strumming going and playing that. So it's going to be like this. So the strumming pattern needs to be really consistent with this wrist action. Now I know that some of this might seem a little bit difficult, but I know that if you work at it, you'll be able to do it. That's La Freak by Chic on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.